What is your name?
My name is Rahim.
How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you.
Where do you live?
I live in a small town.
What do you do?
I am a student.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6 a.m.
Do you like tea or coffee?
I like tea.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
Do you have any brothers?
Yes, I have one brother.
What day is today?
Today is Monday.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat bread and eggs.
Do you like music?
Yes, I like music.
Can you drive a car?
No, I cannot drive.
What is your hobby?
My hobby is reading.
Do you watch TV?
Yes, I watch TV.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is rice.
Do you use a mobile phone?
Yes, I use a mobile phone.
Where are you going now?
I am going home.
Do you like English?
Yes, I like English.
What time do you sleep?
I sleep at 10 p.m.
Are you happy today?
Yes, I am happy.
How many people are in your family?
There are 5 people.
Who is the head of your family?
My father is the head.
What does your father do?
He is a businessman.
What does your mother do?
She is a housewife.
Do you have sisters?
Yes, I have 2 sisters.
Do you live with your parents?
Yes, I live with them.
Who is your best friend?
My best friend is Hassan.
How often do you meet your friends?
I meet them every week.
Do you like your family?
Yes, I love my family.
Is your family big or small?
My family is small.
Do you help your parents?
Yes, I help them.
Do you talk with friends daily?
Yes, I do.
Do you talk with friends daily?
Yes, I do.
Are you close to your mother?
Yes, very close.
Who cooks food at home?
My mother cooks.
Do you have childhood friends?
Yes, I have many.
Do you trust your friends?
Yes, I trust them.
Do you visit relatives?
Yes, sometimes.
Do you enjoy family time?
Yes, I enjoy it.
Who is older, you or your brother?
My brother is older.
Do you feel safe with your family?
Yes, I feel safe.
Are you a student or a worker?
I am a student.
What do you study?
I study English
Why are you learning English?
to speak fluently.
Do you practice English daily?
Yes, I practice daily.
Is English easy for you?
No, but I am learning.
What is your dream job?
My dream job is teacher.
Do you like online learning?
Yes, I like it.
How many hours do you study?
I study 2 hours.
Do you use YouTube for learning?
Yes, I use YouTube.
What is your goal?
My goal is success.
Do you believe in hard work?
Yes, I believe.
Are you afraid of failure?
No, I'm not afraid.
Do you want to speak confidently?
Yes, I do.
Do you read English books?
Yes, sometimes.
Do you make mistakes in English?
Yes, but I learn.
Do you practice speaking alone?
Yes, I do.
Is learning English important?
Yes, very important.
Do you write English daily?
Yes, a little.
Do you want a better future?
Yes, I do.
Will you give up learning English?
No, never.